Hello kids, Jai Hind to all. Nice to meet you. Today my topic small letter R. Small letter R. Before starting our topic, I would like to say revise previous topic. Okay students? Small letter A. Small letter C. Small letter E. Small letter I. Small letter N. Small letter N. Small letter O. Okay students, do you like rhymes? Okay. Do action with me, okay? Butterfly, butterfly flutters around. Butterfly, butterfly flutters around. Butterfly, butterfly touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly fly so free. Butterfly, butterfly fly so free. Butterfly, butterfly land on me. Butterfly, butterfly land on me. Butterfly, butterfly reach the sky. Butterfly, butterfly reach the sky. Butterfly, butterfly say goodbye. Do practice at your home orally. Look at here students. Which letter is this? Capital letter R. Capital letter R. And which letter is this? Small letter R. Today I teach you small letter R. Small letter R. R for rose. R for rose. Turn the face card. Say the words beginning with the letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. R for rain. R for rhinoceros. R for red. And R for rose. Today I teach you small letter R. Small letter R. R for rose. R for rose. R for rain. R for rain. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for red. R for red. Look at the blackboard. Today, how to press small letter R. Here, 4 lines are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have used only 2 lines. How to press small letter R? First, up to down standing line and little curve. This way you have to press small letter R. Again, up to down standing line and little curve. Up to down standing line and little curve. Up to down standing line and little curve. This way you have to press small letter R. Okay, without words we have to write down. We have to write down small letter R. First, we only use 2 lines. Only 2 number and 3 number. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 2 lines use. First, up to down and down to up little curve. Up to down and little curve. Up to down, little curve. Up to down, standing line and little curve. Up to down, standing line and little curve. This way completed trace and write completed page in your notebook. Look at here, student. This is our English textbook. Open the book and page number 102. Small letter R. Trace with your finger up to down and little curve. Now color the small letter R first, up to down. Fill up the color, make standing line. And little curve. This way you fill up color small letter R. Trace and write. First we have only used two lines. First up to down standing line and little curve. Again up to down standing line and little curve. This way you have to finish page number 102 and next page number 103. Write the first letter of each object. Say the word. Which picture is this? Rose. We have to write down only small letter R, up to down standing line and little curve. Which picture is this? Rope. First R for rope. We have to write down only small letter R. Which picture is this? Rabbit. We have to write down small letter R, first letter, standing line and little curve. Which picture is this? Rain. Which picture is this? Rain. We have to write down small letter R, up to down standing line and little curve. Which picture is this? Ribbon. We have to write down small letter R. Which picture is this? Rocket. We have to write down small letter R, standing line and little curve. This way you completed page number 103. Turn the page number 104. Think of word that beginning with the letter R. Draw the picture. Look at here, student. This is our English notebook. Open the book and page number 29. R for rabbit, R for rose and R for ring. Here dots are given. How to trace small letter R? First up to down standing line and little curve. Up to down standing line and little curve. We have used only two lines, up to down standing line and little curve. This way you completed page number 29. Turn the page number 30. Here also write down small letter R. Without dots you have to write. First only used two lines, up to down standing line and little curve. Up to down standing line and little curve. Up to down standing line and little curve. This way complete page number 30. Thank you.